This is a team that's actually been really exciting me this preseason and camp. Treveyon Henderson, a player I've loved since high school. Thought he was incredible coming out, going into Ohio State as a freshman stud, and his hype is just real, man. I had him as a top prospect in this class, a first round grade, and he's getting a ton of first team reps. He's doing great in the red zone drills, and we saw that 100-yard kick return in that carry. He took 18 yards. This isn't just empty praise. We're really seeing him get things done. Also, want to shout out Will Campbell, who a lot of analysts' weakness for him was his arm length, but he really showed his punishing ability when he was getting after it in the second level and putting guys into the dirt. Really impressive stuff out of Will Campbell in that first preseason game to me. And then they also have Kyle Williams, who's been a pretty impressive rookie. So shout out to the Patriots